conditioning.
Good day everyone, let's talk about pipes and valves. Types of pipes used for clean water supply. So the first is PVC or polyvinyl chloride. Lightweight, easy to install and common in residential cold water systems, not sociable for hot water. So the second is valve. Valve is control water flow by opening, closing, or partially obstructing passageway in a plumbing system. Here's a simple breakdown. It starts or stop flow, shut off water when needed during repairs. Regulate flow, control how much water flows through or in a shower or irrigation system. And lastly, prevent backflow, keep water flowing in one direction. So, mo ni siya ang naong sa valve. Imo ra ni siya i-twist pa back or forward to stop or open the water flow. So next is outdoor sink. Outdoor sink is the purpose of outdoor sink is washing dishes, preparing food, and handling more intensive cleaning tasks. So, sample, ari dire maghugas sa kamot, then maghugas sa mga plato. So, this is the water supply and the drainage supply pipe. Ari mo agi ang imong mga kanang agi sa inugas, like kanang mga sagbot or mumpo. Ari na diri moagi, then ang water kay ari sa water supply pipe.
Okay, so what do we have here? What we have here is a septic tank. A septic tank is an underground chamber made of concrete. So there are three parts of the septic tank. The first is, actually I don't know as a part, but the first is digestive chamber, holding chamber, and outlet chamber. So a septic tank's main purpose is to temporarily hold and partially treat wastewater from a home before it's discharged into the environment. So what is the use of septic tank? A septic tank is used to store, collect, and process all wastewater from a domestic property. So in short, a septic tank is where your poop will go and where the waste from the sink or the dirt from the sink will flow. Next, what do we have here? This is an example of a water tank. Water tanks can be used for storing water for many different ways. These uses can range from emergency fire suppression, irrigation, to providing drinking water and tubs for washing. A water storage tank, typically called a water cistern. It is used to safely potable drinking water underground. Here we have a hose bib, or also called an outdoor faucet. It is a valve or faucet installed outside the building or home that allows you to connect a garden hose to access water. You can also water your plants using this. As you can see, na siya kanal, tas pwede ka magkuhan diri, manghugas or anything. Then you can use a kabot to water your plants there, like near kayo yung plants. So this is an example of a hose bib.
Good day everyone, let's talk about mechanical. First is ECCU. ECCU stands for Air Cold Condensing Unit. It's a specific type of condensing unit used in air conditioning systems that uses air to dissipate the heat generated during the refrigeration cycle. These units are commonly found in air conditioning systems that use direct expansion, DX, or cold cooling. So, kani diri nga pipe ari moagi ang kainit sa aircon, tapos padulong sa fan, yan. I-click mo ano magawas ang kainit diri sa gawas. So, mao siya ECU. ECU stands for Air Conditioning Unit, which is device used to regulate the temperature, humidity, and airflow within a space. It is essentially an air conditioner, whether it's a window unit, a split system, or a central air conditioning system. In the specific context of air conditioning, for aircraft, ECU stands for Aircraft Cooling Unit. It is a unit used to provide air conditioning to aircraft in park o land. So, kita ang kawaron ba ni ang ECU nga split type sa. So, ari nag-agi ang hangin niya. O ganahan gani ka nga kanang sana pakusgan nimo imong ang pakusgan ng kanang kabugnaw. Ari siya mag-agi ang kabugnaw ha. Then diri makita ang atong mga button. So mao ang on off, mga modes, fan speed kaning kakusog ni sa imong sa fan plus mode kay mode na ya on off kana kali ra na masabtan siya ya auxiliary function. So karon atong ikuha na asa yung connection ni yung ring sa ECU. So tanan sa gawas asa yang ECU unit. So tara ano yung ECU unit. Diri gaagi ang atong pipe na atong kit padung sa ECU nga fan then magawas.
Hi everyone. Now let's talk about electrical works or electricity that powers up our equipment and most especially charge our phone and gadgets. About fluorescent light. So fluorescent light is a type of electrical lamp that provides light to a process called fluorescence. It works by using a low pressure mercury vapor gas discharge lamp where an electrical circuit exists. The back is a circuit breaker. So now let's talk about circuit breaker. So it is an electrical safety device that automatically interrupts the flow of electricity in a circuit to prevent damage. So it is like a switch opens when the circuit exceeds a safety level such as during an overload or a short circuit. So here at my back, we can see a circuit breaker. So circuit breaker is an electrical safety device that automatically interrupts the flow of electricity in a circuit to prevent damage. It's like a switch that opens when the circuit exceeds a safe level, such as during an overload or short circuit. Circuit breakers are designed to be reusable, unlike switches when need replacement after tripping. So circuit breaker guys is a switch to prevent a overflow na mga electricity kanang cause na like especially kanang if aircon mo exceed siya sa iyang kanang value, so imura switch ang circuit breaker to cut the circuit line.